Enceladus is one of the smallest moon of the Saturn.
Is one of the
This
strangest
big red,
worlds in our
this big
solar
giant
system.
is one of the strangest planets
A ring
in our
system,
solar system.
almost
It has
one
62 moons and one of them is Enceladus. Enceladus is a moon which has water in it,
spacecraft went there, it discovered something
but it's covered with the ice on the top. Probe reveals some great images and ice volcanoes of Enceladus. These volcanoes came out of Enceladus like on Earth volcanoes burst out magma. There is water, so there can be life. There are many questions that what kind of life there.
The mystery of Saturn's E-ring.
As you see in this diagram, ice is on the top and water comes out through these small canals and convert into ice.
Sierra Hotel, India, Echo, Lima, Delta, Shield.
Jupiter is also a stormy planet. It has a great red spot. Jupiter, the biggest planet of our solar system, has a great red spot. It's a jet ray stream. Most people think that it's a hurricane or something else, but there is no sea on the Jupiter, so it can't be a hurricane. It's a jet winds which come to the center and somehow stops at the great red spot. As you see, the great red spot is as giant as the Earth. Olympus Mons, the largest volcano in our solar system, situated on Mars. Olympus Mons, the largest volcano in our solar system, on Mars, has a length of 700 kilometers. If you calculate, its length is from Mumbai to Goa. It is inactive. There is no matter inside it. It grows so large because there is very less gravity on Mars and nothing stops it from growing. It is still growing. Surface of the sun is the most dangerous thing in our solar system. It's dangerous because it ejects something that is very harmful for full solar system. That is coronal mass ejection, also known as CME. Surface of our sun at 11,000 degrees Celsius, ejecting coronal mass ejection. Coronal mass ejection is a cloud of plasma and gas. When plasma and gas burst inside sun, it came out as coronal mass ejection. If it will came towards Earth, it will just destroy the Earth in a second. They make auroras on the poles of Earth because of magnetism. You can see auroras on northern pole and south pole. CME also produces X-rays. Aurora on North Pole. When particles came into CME, they shine in green and red. An example of an highway which is on sun. When two cars crashes, they eject towards the solar system. Same happens when gases meets plasma and ejects these large coronal mass ejections at the speed of light.
Sexy, I've got the looks that drives a girl wild. I've got the moves that really move 'em. I said chill up and down their spine. I'm just a sexy boy.
Most amazing planet in our solar system, our own home, the Earth. Earth, our home, our planet, is the most amazing thing in our solar system. It is at perfect distance from the sun. that it is neither cold nor hot. There is water, land, and atmosphere as well as oxygen on Earth for growing life. There is a magnetic field for our protection. Everything is here for growing life. That's why it is at number 1.
Dead man walking.